Herrera.
Ito.
Ito, mga champion rin to.
Oh,
Happy New Year, Richard. Oh,
Very
yeah,
honored,
Rich.
very honored.
Oh, yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
sir. Very honored.
Tingnan natin kung sinong... Marunong ba kayo magtagalog?
Konti-konti, very honored.
Konti-konti?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Medyo lang.
Medyo-medyo. Oh, pwede na yun. Okay na, okay na.
Medyo, oo,
Okay.
hindi, medyo.
Tigatanong, si Rich. Rich, doon ka sa left side.
Isa na lang
Richard, doon ka sa kanan. Ikaw ang tagasagot.
Number 3. Oo.
Ako.
Aray.
Okay. Wala, isa na lang, number
Okay, number 3. At narito, ang inyong Dabber Cans.
So heavy.
Si Boy 79. Anjo! Alright, Jillian. Jillian, Ruy.
Ay,
15,000. Pakita
oo
mo.
nga, pinapakain na namin ng ano, balat.
Pakita mo yung pick. Yan. Go! Hira! Alright. Okay. Okay, Richard. Are you ready?
Ready.
Oo, hindi. Pwede. Alright.
Ready.
Rich, you okay?
I'm good, I'm good.
Okay, 2 minutes. Ready? Go.
Person. It's a person. Philippines.
Hindi.
US. Famous.
Laundry.
Athlete.
Hindi.
Politics. Movie star.
Hindi.
Talk show.
Hindi.
President.
Hindi.
Model. Actor. Model.
Pwede.
Model. Actor, actress, boy,
Hindi.
girl,
Opo.
actress,
Well, pwede.
famous, si artista, is she white,
Hindi.
Filipina,
Hindi.
Mexican,
Hindi.
is it African American, Beyonce,
Hindi.
Oprah,
Hindi.
Halle Berry,
Hindi. Come on, Rich.
actress, African American, singer.
Hello,
It's not Beyonce. It's not Beyonce. Mariah Carey.
10 seconds.
Rihanna.
Lapit na.
I got it.
Rihanna!
Dumating lang si Alan Kay. Nakasagot na. Hey, Alan! You're a lucky charm!
Go, Jillian! Yeah!
I know, right?
Okay. Meron na kayo 15,000 at tuloy na tayo sa jackpot round, okay? Richard and Rich, tigli naman kayong salita. Tigpa 5. Okay? Pwede mag-pass anytime. At kapag nakakuha kayo ng 3 tama, jackpot prize na 50,000 pesos. Ang ating category ay pagkain.
Is it really like that?
Okay, Rich, pagkain. Okay? Alright. Richard, ikaw mauna, ha? Okay? We will give you 3 minutes. Timer starts now. Go, Richard. Ikaw.
English, Tagalog.
Isa-isa tanong.
English,
Hindi.
Tagalog. Person. Hindi. Food. Food. I'm sorry.
Pagkain. Food.
Fruit.
Fruit daw.
Orange. Is it
Hindi.
apple?
Ano ba?
What was that?
Si Jimmy,
Banana.
ano?
Lanzones. Pineapple.
Ano ba?
Pineapple. Melon. Watermelon.
Hindi. Oh.
Pineapple.
Pineapple in Tagalog.
Oh. Pineapple, Tagalog.
Pwede!
Pineapple, Tagalog.
Gold, Del Monte.
Anong Del Monte? Anong gold? Anong pineapple sa Tagalog?
What?
Oh.
Pwede.
Bean.
Pwede.
Piña.
Anong pinyap? Pwede na yun?
Hey.
Pinyap na, kala ko tinyap na eh. Okay, go, Rich.
Is it English?
English.
Is it a fruit?
Yeah.
Orange. Apple.
Apple! Got the apple. One more. Okay, Richard. Back to you.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Fruit, vegetable.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fruit.
Oh, vegetable daw, vegetable.
Hindi.
Vegetable.
Oh.
Vegetable.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Green bean.
Hindi.
Corn. Carrots.
Hindi.
Corn on the cob.
Hindi. Pass.
Pass. Okay.
English. Is it English?
English.
Is it a fruit?
Fruit.
It's a fruit.
No.
Is it a
No,
vegetable?
hindi.
Vegetable.
Oh.
Vegetable. Is it green?
Hindi.
Is it yellow?
Hindi.
Is it orange?
Oh.
Carrot.
Carrot! Hindi ko naintindihan, carrot. Parang bilang carrot eh. Okay. You get the jackpot prize of 50,000 for a total of 65,000 pesos.
At meron din kayong gift bags from Milk Magic Low Fat Powder and Full Cream Powder. Gift certificate from CBO Holiday Ham. Ayan, no? Ang 30,000 ay ibibigay natin sa ating mga e-best scholars. At ang yung 35 ay hahatiin natin sa studio audience. Okay.
Yun.
Oh, yan, no? Kasali kayo.
Okay, lima. Tigpa 5,000.
Thank you, Richard and Rich.
Oh, lahat ng numero. Taas na mga numero. Tigpa 5,000. 463.
Red.
There's 5,000. Congratulations. Okay. Happy New Year. Ilan na?
Ano ba?
463. Okay, next. Si Jillian, bumunod. Oh,
Jillian, bunot. Uli.
Anong kulay yan? Yellow. 202. Okay.
Okay, next.
One
Rich.
more. Color.
Azul.
Blue.
Number 7.
07.
Blue 7. Blue 7.
07. Nasaan? Wala. 07.
Meron.
Ayun. Okay. Next.
Oy.
Red again. 486.
486.
Oh, number 7. Yeah. Oh, dalawa na lang.
Oo, kalima eh. 486. Halika, tanggapin mo yung 5,000 mo.
Oh, yan. Binunod din.
Okay, Happy New Year.
171.
171, yellow. 171. Okay, ayan siya. Halika rito at kunin mo yung 5,000 mo. Isa na lang? Okay, last.
Oh, ikaw pa rin. Oh, sige,
Oh,
tira.
go Jillian. Opo.
Dali.
Oh, Happy New Year po. Doon po kayo.
Oh, tira.
Blue.
Blue, 136.
136.
136.
5,000 pesos.
Okay. Kompleto.
Oy.
Happy New Year sa mga nanalo. Itong Pinoy Henyo, hatid sa inyo ng Milk Magic Low Fat Powder and Full Cream Powder, CDO Holiday Ham, and Lulier by Concentric Mosquito Coil at Globe Prepaid Super All Text 20. Magbabalik pa. Thank you, Rich and Rich. Magbabalik pa ang